She's got pseudo-cream on her face. Ah, it's not a bad view.
This is $15 a night per person.
Too expensive.
Which is like, I don't know.
It's about £15.
Well, 14, about £7 each a night. But there is literally one toilet and that is it.
Yeah, it's not great.
And this is called Deer Flat
Deer
Campsite.
Flat. I'm going to take some pictures of it then. Incredible.
Insane. Go and stand over there and see how it looks from over there. I can't see on what lot.
A little eel. Come in, it's not cold at all. It's very cold. It's not cold. Come on. That's very strong water. Woo. So that water is running quite fast. And yeah, it gets quite deep there. But whew, it's nice and cool. Quite refreshing because it's a hot day today. I've burnt a bit. But we are just staying around this campsite for now. Oh, we saw an eel in here earlier as well. That was cute. Also seen a native bird, flightless bird. Not a kiwi, but swallows flying in the water as well. But yeah, it's lovely. So I think there's found a big lump of jade or greenstone, which you can't actually take out of New Zealand, but still, big rock. So this is, hello, where you going? A little bird called a weka, and it's native to New Zealand. A little flightless bird, similar to a kiwi. Fascinated with our van, but you see it's got, oh there we are, really big, thick, chunky legs for running. It's really cute. Eventful night last night. Eventful night last night. Yeah.
How we're feeling.
We ended up going to bed at about 4 o'clock, 4:30.
So I think more 4:30.
We had 2 little mice.
Maybe even 3.
Maybe even 3, eating all of our food. Scrabbling around the camper van.
We got one out, thought that was it, about 2 o'clock, and then we heard chewing again.
And then we saw another one. So.
And now we're here for 2 hours. But we are here with Get Your Guide, which we're very grateful for. We're just very tired.
Yes.
But I'm sure it'll still be amazing.
Left, you'll notice this clear rock patch going up the mountain. This is what we call. Seals. The New Zealand first see some seals rolling around in the water. they'll eat up to their entire body weight in fish every 48 hours. So to help digest that, they'll also purposely eat small stones. And as they roll around on the surface of the...
So if you do come to Milford Sound, there's a car park that is $10 an hour, and because the tour's about 2 hours, we can. The tour's about 2 hours, and they charge you from as soon as you enter until when you leave. So even if your time's up and you're leaving, there's no like leeway. So and then people have been hit by a fine of like $100 the day after.
Because you pre-buy the hours that you're going to be there. So if you time it wrong, you get, I think it's a $65 fine. And then if you're with a rental company and it goes through them, they'll charge you an additional $50 to process it.
But if you come here early, like we did, even though we were up till 4:30 last night, there is a free one. It's a 40-minute walk.
It's not been that though, has it?
No, it's probably less than 40 minutes really.
Over there.
But yeah, it's a small walk, but it's not huge. So you do have to get here a bit early and try and get a space.
Yeah, and just be mindful, like you say. I probably would still leave 40 minutes to walk that way. It hasn't taken us 40 minutes there.
No. I think you've got some friends, Lauren. So, update on the mice. They just like that campsite and they just go in people's vans and then leave.
Yeah, there's some food gone now.
So that's all good. We actually got some sleep last night. We are now in Queenstown, just having a walk around on our way through, and then we're heading to another camp spot. Hopefully another free one, but...
Yeah, where we were last night was free.
Yeah. I was about 40 minutes from Queenstown, so it's not a bad one. It's a bit uneven though, but you can find a spot somewhere.
Yeah.
The eggs were sliding around on the pan this morning.
What's it got?
She's got a juice.
I've also got a bee flying around me.
Yeah. No, the bee's gone. She's got a little sparrow. So this is a nice little free campsite near Wanaka. I think that's how you pronounce it. But...
Yeah, I'll put it here. Yeah, it's free.
Flushing toilets, they're alright.
And that. Which is not bad. And a lot of intimidating motorhomes and campervans. Our little tiny thing. Well, I'm just going to go and wash my feet off in the lake because it's dirty. They're dirty, I mean.
Yeah, the lake's not dirty.
Wow.
It will be. It will be in a minute.
Yeah.
And Lauren gets a tootsie toes in her.
Yeah, this is it. It's cute.